Hi everyone, I'm Miss Lewis and I'm the geography leader at Little Pardon, and I'm here to tell you how we do geography in our school. Geography at Pardon. So geography is more than just about memorising places on a map. It's about understanding the complexity of our world, appreciating the diversity of cultures that exist across the continents, and in the end it's about using all that knowledge to help bridge divides and bring people together. So our geography curriculum aims to teach children not just content-based knowledge about countries or about places in the world, but to give them the skills through an inquiry-based approach where they can take the skills that they've learned with the content and apply that to their next level as they progress through the school. So we want them to be able to transfer these skills into a range of different opportunities that are based around a child-centred approach, so what the children are interested in. So we want them to have a good understanding and knowledge of places, have good inquiry skills and geographical skills, and to understand the attitudes and values that are around geography, and to learn about the area that we live in through learning about the UK and its relationship with other countries. So in the foundation stage, geography begins where a child begins to gain a wider experience of the world around them. Children learn through first-hand experiences to explore, observe, problem solve, predict, think critically, make decisions and talk about the creatures, people, plants and objects in their natural environments. In the foundation stage, it's taught under the umbrella of understanding of the world from the early years foundation stage, which encompasses people and communities, the world, as well as technology. So we want them to be able to explore through play and through topics, to begin to question about their location, where they live and the things that are around them, and to use those inquiry skills to apply their skills to different areas as well throughout the year. In Key Stage 1, we begin to look at set topics, and that we begin to teach subject-specific vocabulary relating to human and physical geography, and begin to use geographical skills, including first-hand observations, to enhance their locational awareness. So we want them to begin to develop those skills further so that they can develop their understanding of specific content and symbols and map work skills, but to also have those skills that can again be transferable through other locations as they learn about other places around the world. This develops further in Key Stage 2 as pupils should extend their knowledge and understanding beyond the local area to include the United Kingdom and Europe, North and South America. This will include the location and characteristics of a range of the world's most significant human and physical features. They should develop their use of geographical knowledge, understanding and skills to enhance their locational and place knowledge. So they begin to look at the world around them and making it relevant back to them. So we begin to look at comparing places across the world to what we have, and to begin to look at more deeper vocabulary around geographical terms which relate to our areas and other areas around the world. So we have set topics for each year group for each term so that we can make sure that each year group is developing on the understanding and they're not repeating, they're furthering their current understanding. It's also really important to think that although these are the geography terms, the geography topics that we're learning, we're also making sure that we're able to use a cross-curricular approach so that they're able to enrich their skills through studying it in other subjects such as reading fact files about a location, or they might be writing a persuasive piece using the geographical knowledge that they've learned in their topics and then applying it into a different subject area. Our teachers have set grids of the knowledge organisers, skills progressions that they can use to make sure that the knowledge the children are learning is being built upon, so that the vocabulary is being expanded and their understanding of locational knowledge, physical geography and human geography is being developed rather than repeating, and that they're able to gain a wider understanding of the geography curriculum. So this is just year 3 and there's one for each year group. We also have a separate one for map skills, making sure that children are developing their understanding of how to use a map, which can be applied to the different areas that they might be learning about. And teachers will also use this to understand that if there is a skill that's missing, they can go back and then build up towards being able to do the skill that they should be doing for their year group. Teachers assess geography through their teacher judgments, so they'll be looking at bookwork, work that children have done, the conversations that they've had, and through observations to children's responses and looking at the outcomes of their work. The feedback to pupils is given for following our marking and planning, our marking policy, and then the children are also given opportunities to respond to that alongside other subjects. And that is our geography curriculum at Little Pardon. Thank you.